What's up, Striverz Money community? Are you ready for another epic showdown? Today we're going to discuss the age-old debate, entrepreneurship versus investing. Which one is best for you and your financial goals? But before we dive in, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of our money-making wisdom. One path leads to the world of entrepreneurship, where you're the boss, building your empire from the ground up. The other path takes you to the realm of investing, where you let your money do the work for you. Which path do you choose? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the answer. Number 1. The world of entrepreneurship. Let's start with entrepreneurship. For those of you who dream of creating something from nothing, entrepreneurship can be incredibly rewarding. 1. Control. As an entrepreneur, you're the boss, which means you have full control over your business's direction and growth. 2. Unlimited earning potential. There's no cap on how much money you can make as an entrepreneur. The sky's the limit. 3. Job satisfaction. There's a sense of accomplishment and pride that comes from building your own business and seeing it succeed. But entrepreneurship isn't all sunshine and rainbows. 1. Risk. Starting a business can be risky. Many startups fail, and you might lose your initial investment. 2. Time commitment. Running a business requires a lot of time and effort, especially in the early stages. Now let's explore the world of investing. For those who prefer a more passive approach to wealth building, investing can be a game changer. 1. Passive income. Investing allows you to generate income without actively working for it, freeing up your time for other pursuits. 2. Diversification. You can spread your investments across multiple assets, reducing the overall risk of your portfolio. 3. Compounding. With time and consistent contributions, your investment can grow exponentially thanks to the power of compound interest. Of course, investing isn't without its challenges. 1. Market risk. Investments are subject to market fluctuations, which can lead to losses. 2. Patience. Growing your investments takes time, and you might not see significant returns for several years. Growing your investments takes time, and you might not see significant returns for several years. Comparing entrepreneurship and investing. Now that we've covered the basics, let's compare entrepreneurship and investing side by side. 1. Income potential. Both entrepreneurship and investing offer the potential for significant income, but the paths to wealth are different. Entrepreneurs can achieve unlimited income through business growth, while investors generate income through their investments. 2. Time commitment. Entrepreneurship typically requires a significant time investment, especially during the startup phase. Investing, on the other hand, can be more passive and less time-consuming once you've established your portfolio. 3. Risk. Both paths come with risks. Entrepreneurs face the risk of business failure, while investors face market risk. 4. Which one is best for you? So, which path should you choose? The answer depends on your personality, goals, and preferences. If you're a self-starter with a passion for building something from scratch, entrepreneurship might be the best fit for you. If you prefer a more passive approach to wealth building and are willing to be patient, investing could be the right choice. Ultimately, the best path for you might be a combination of both. Many successful entrepreneurs also invest in stocks, real estate, or other assets to diversify their income streams and protect themselves from potential business downturns. Similarly, investors can benefit from dabbling in entrepreneurship, leveraging their investing skills to fund and grow a small business. Tips for success in both worlds. Regardless of which path you choose, there are a few tips to keep in mind for success in both entrepreneurship and investing. 1. Education. Never stop learning. Stay up to date on trends, strategies, and best practices in your chosen field. 2. Network. Connect with like-minded individuals, whether it's fellow entrepreneurs or investors. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and valuable insights. 3. Have a plan. Set clear goals and develop a plan to achieve them. This will help keep you focused and motivated in your journey. 4. Be persistent. Success rarely comes overnight. Stay committed, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. How did you like this epic showdown between entrepreneurship and investing? Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The best path for you will depend on your unique goals, preferences, and circumstances. Now it's your time to take action, and check out the related links in the description. And make sure you watch our other videos on making money and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and keep striving.